Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. If your hair is not growing, your hair is breaking off, or you have bald spot hair, this powerful oil will shock you. In just 1 week of using it consistent, your hair will be thicker, stronger and fuller. No more hair fall or thinning hair. I will mix only 2 natural ingredients, Amla and Hibiscus, and the results are unbelievable. So let me show you how to make this magic oil at home. First thing is to be my bowl, and I make sure that my bowl is free of moisture. The first ingredient is Amla powder. I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoon of Amla powder, equivalent to 2 tablespoons of Amla powder. I will scoop it and transfer it into my bowl. My second ingredient is hibiscus flower. I'll be making use of hibiscus powder, and also I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoons of my hibiscus. Amla and hibiscus oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which stimulate hair follicles, promote blood circulation and encourage hair growth. Do you see that combine these 2 ingredients together, they are so amazing. I'm using my carrier oil. Use any carrier oil of your choice. The first oil I add is jojoba oil. The second oil is coconut oil. If you have extra virgin olive oil, you can make use of it. Any oil you have, avocado oil, any oil you have at home, please feel free to make use of it. How to infuse this oil to get best results? I'm infusing this oil by double boiling method. Please, if you want this oil to be potent, please don't infuse it direct heat. Infuse this oil by double boiling method. In that case, this oil will be potent and powerful. All the nutrients will be intact. So, and make sure that the heat is not that too high. I do this double boiling method only about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's 10 to 15 minutes, I will off my gas and bring it down. Keep it aside to sit for overnight. Why I keep it to sit for overnight? In that case, this oil will still infuse more, so that this oil will be very potent. I want this oil to be super potent. But if you are in a hurry, want to use this oil immediately, you don't need to keep it overnight. But the longer you keep it, the better results you got, okay? Combine these 2 oils together will give you powerful results on your hair growth journey. This oil is a game changer. After keeping this overnight, the next day, this is what I have so far. Do you see that this oil got more darker than before, than earlier we infused it by the boiling method? That is the powerful of leaving this oil overnight. I will bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth to collect my oil. This part is very necessary. Please use something that have very tiny hole, so that the residues of these 2 ingredients will not stuck on your hair. I will squeeze it very well. Make sure that I bring all the oil out of the chaff. Do you see the oil is ready? After squeezing it, this is what I have so far. Do you see how this oil is so rich? This oil is super potent. Guys, there's no joke with this oil. This oil is a game changer indeed. It will grow your hair like crazy. It will boost that crazy faster hair growth, stimulate hair growth, stop your hair fall, hair loss, and thicken up your hair. I will demonstrate to you on how to use this oil to get best results. First thing, don't use this oil on a dry hair. As you can see, I'm using my tea spray to damp my hair first before I can apply this oil on my hair for that best results. You can use plain water or your herbal tea to damp your hair first before you can apply the oil to get best results. After damping my hair with my herbal tea spray, next thing is to apply the oil on my hair. This way, this oil will do perfectly work on my hair. It will penetrate deeply into my scalp and also into my strand of hair, because my hair is not dry, my hair is damp. Okay, so don't ever use this oil on a dry hair. Please make sure that your hair is a little bit damp. In that way, you get best results. I'm focusing on my scalp because hair growth comes from scalp, and also I will still apply it on the strand of my hair to help the strand of my hair to get more thicker and darker and stronger. There are different ways you can use this oil for best results. One of those ways to use this oil for best results is to use this oil as your hair growth sealant. Second way to use this oil to get best results is to use it as hot oil treatment. Third way to use this oil to get best results is to use it as your pre-poo. Another way to use this oil to get best results is to add it on your deep condition, leave-in condition, your tea spray, in all your routines. Add this oil. You can also use this oil as your daily scalp massage. Use it every day to massage your scalp, and believe me, to promote faster hair growth. This oil is all you need to grow that hair stronger, faster and fuller. Amla strengthens hair roots and boosts hair growth, while hibiscus stops shedding and thicken your hair strands. Combination of these two ingredients will help to waken dormant follicles. Do you see that combination of these two ingredients is a game changer for you? If your follicles is dormant, this oil will help you to wake that dormant follicles. And when your follicles is dormant, your hair will not grow. That is the cause of dormant follicles. But if your follicles is active, your hair will definitely grow. So try to use this oil and you see a game changer. This oil is very easy to prepare, very easy to find the ingredients, and also the result is mind-blowing. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. You are the real MVP. I love you so much. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click on that subscribe button and join this beautiful family. Believe me, you will never regret it. And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot to bring out more good content for you guys, okay? And also, it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, please help me to share this video to your family and friends so that they will know how to use Amla and Hibiscus to grow their hair like never before. I have come to the end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. It's a baby girl Glory. Bye.